Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Cadillac Escalade V. Cadillac has taken its flagship full-size SUV, the Escalade, to new heights with the much-anticipated Escalade V. This high-performance iteration brings power, prestige, and refinement, marking a milestone for Cadillac's iconic model. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade V is a bold move by Cadillac, blending luxury and performance in a package that stays true to its roots while embracing modern engineering. Though it faces fierce competition, the Escalade V stands out with its powerful engine, refined ride, and understated style. For those who crave both power and prestige, the Escalade V offers an experience that's as thrilling as it is luxurious. Will it define the next era of high-performance luxury SUVs? Only time will tell. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade V continues the legacy of Cadillac's V series by introducing exhilarating performance enhancements and refined features. While the exterior design remains sophisticated yet understated, it's the mechanical upgrades and cutting-edge technology that make this Escalade a force to reckon with. Step inside the Escalade V, and you'll find an opulent interior filled with premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled comfort. High-quality materials, leather upholstery, real wood trim, and metal accents exude luxury. Advanced infotainment. A massive curved OLED display integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system seamlessly. Comfort and space. With seating for up to 7 passengers, the Escalade V offers spacious accommodations with heated and ventilated seats. Exclusive features. Model-specific V badging and performance-oriented accents set this SUV apart. The Escalade V boasts a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers an astounding 682 horsepower and 653 lb-ft of torque. Performance. The engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, propels the Escalade V from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. Engineering marvel. The hand-built engine features a larger 2.7-liter supercharger, ensuring consistent and robust performance. Exhaust symphony. The quad-pipe active exhaust system produces a menacing growl, with an option to quiet things down using stealth mode. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade V is expected to hit dealerships in late 2025, with a starting price of $151,490. For those seeking even more space, the extended wheelbase ESV model adds $3,000 to the base price. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.